In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Descript, a powerful platform used for editing and creating content. We all know emojis are fantastic for adding personality and expression to your text, making your content more engaging and relatable. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to brighten up your projects with these little digital characters. To get started first, you'll need to head over to Descript's website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Descript's main site. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your recent projects. Next, you'll want to access your account settings. Simply click on your account icon, usually located at the top right of the page. This will allow you to see a drop-down menu where you can choose to open any of your existing projects. Select the project you're working on, and this will bring you directly into the edit mode of that project. The magic of adding emojis truly begins with finding the right emojis for your message. For this, navigate your browser to emojicopy.com. This is a handy site where you can browse through a vast selection of emojis to find the ones that best suit the tone and context of your text. Once you've found an emoji you like, it's time to copy it. You can do this by simply clicking on the emoji and you'll notice a copy button appear. Give it a click and the emoji will be copied to your clipboard, ready to be transferred into your project. Now that you've acquired the perfect emoji for your content, it's time to head back over to your Descript project. Locate the text area within your project where you want to insert the emoji. Click into the text editor and position your cursor exactly where you want the emoji to appear. With your cursor in place, simply paste the emoji by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard if you're on Windows or Command+V if you're using a Mac. And there you have it. You've successfully added an emoji to your Descript project. These expressive symbols can help convey tone, inject humor, or emphasize key points, making your message clearer and more appealing to your audience. Whether you're crafting a script, creating a presentation, or assembling a video project, using emojis effectively can significantly enhance your communication. Remember to experiment with different emojis to see what works best for your content. With just a few clicks, you can make your projects visually appealing and more engaging. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to add emojis into Descript. Keep creating and have fun with your projects.